Yo, peeps, wagwan. So you don't know say the war there. But something disturbing about me from where they. I was live with the and I play Tamile's Dirth Day song. And when I G them in the comment section, more Alien Brain. Big up yourself, Alien Brain. Alien Brain say, yo dog, you know how they chanting we're in the video with Tamile say. What it mean? I said no. So him send me one video, someone talk about that video. Opening our mind. So this is the part of the song where me talk about. Listen what go on. Alright, so we all know the part of the video, right? That part of the video, right?
You're dead now, pussy.
Alright, listen to the name them when call out you now. Them are gonna rewind it and tell you what him say when it's been rewind. And at the end of this clip, the actual song is like a rock, some dark gothic rock shit in it. See? So may I get this from 𝐶𝐤𝐝𝐿 Sparta? Big up yourself, G. Your content may I use. So watch ya. Alright, so all of that was a chant. All of that was names. But it was played rewind. So now it's gonna be played properly. The first name. That's the first name. And with the first name, this is what it means. Look on screen now. So pause and read it if you have to. Let's move on. Once again. Pause that one there, ready? Behemoth. Read what it says. Just read what it says. See? Let's move on to the next one. Beasley Bob. Him say Beasley Bob. Beasley Bob. Alright? Once again, pause and read. Pause and read all these things, right? Asmodeus. Satanos. So I'm taking that Satan, right? That's Satan. Once again, pause and read what I'm putting up on the screen. Lucifer. Him say Lucifer right there. So see? Alright. Now. Him stop say whatever I must say in the thing now, but this I got transition and show you the actual original song. Then we want to say something after the part I play. This shit was influenced by some rock music, bro. So, how far deep in this gothic shit is Tamile? That's my question, bro. How far? Like, this is some devil worship shit. When I read everything what it say, this is some devil worship shit, like proper. Like, don't feel that these artists out here just say some random things, dog. Like, it's deeper than what it is. You see me? Big up Tamile. But don't think to them artists are out here so I say some random things, bro. Like, it's not that. Like, there's shit behind these meanings of these shit, bro. Like, whoa, what the fuck am I watching? Where me I watch? Where me I watch? Like, where me I listen to? And once again, 𝐶𝐤𝐝𝐿 Sparta, big up yourself. If I never you me G, me wouldn't know what I go on here, so. And big up, like me say, big up Alien Brain. Alien Brain, send me the link. So, me I go leave a link to the video in the comment section. Just click on it and just watch it yourself. The first time I watch it, my blood run cold. My blood run cold on the live. Me I say, yo, what the fuck is this, bro? Like, seriously. So, yo, the chanting alone, Tamile is deep in some shit, bro. Like literally deep in some shit, bro. Me don't know what one, bro, but yeah. Let me know what you think what I wanna do down in the comment section, alright? I'll catch you guys next one. Peace.